Are you wanting to get started with colour pencils but not sure where to start? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to show you how to draw using coloured pencils, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to level up their skills. Let's dive right into the tools you'll need and a few pro tips to get you started. First, let's talk about supplies. All you really need are a good set of colour pencils, good drawing paper, preferably smooth but not too slick, a sharpener and a razor. You don't need the most expensive gear, just start simple with what you have and upgrade as you go. First of all, getting an outline down. Depending on what you want to draw and how you prefer to get your outline down, you can either use freehand, which is great for practicing your sketching skills, the grid method, which helps with accuracy by breaking down your reference into smaller sections. Tracing paper is a super handy tool if you want to quickly transfer an outline from a reference image. There's nothing wrong with tracing an image to get your outline down on the page. Okay, let's cover the basics. Here's a few techniques to master first. Starting with layering, start with a light pressure and slowly build up colour. Coloured pencil works best in layers. Once you have a couple of layers down, then you can start blending. You can blend with a white pencil, a blending pencil, or even just use lighter colour pencils of the colour that you're using to blend it down and make it nice and smooth on the page. Next is burnishing. This creates a smooth, shiny finish, and this is best used at the final stages as you won't be able to get many layers down after you burnish your page. So let's draw something simple together like these cherries. Remember to take your time and build up your layers softly. The key is patience and gradually building up the colour. So we start with a light sketch using the graphite pencil. Add a base layer of colour looking at the undercolours of the subject. Build shadows with darker reds and a touch of purple, also getting darker with black and using the white to add highlights. So I hope some of these tips have helped you with your colour pencil journey. If you would like to complete any of these tutorials today, you can visit my website and see all of the Patreon tutorials. For each of the tutorials, you're given the reference photo, line art, material list, and full real-time videos to complete these works of art all by yourself. You get access to our private Facebook page. You are also able to vote in the monthly poll to see what you would like to draw next. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.